Happy Green Shabbat, everyone! From Hazon, Detroit, to you, your community, and your family. Woo!
Today, the world is perfect. 1 out of every 7 days, we live as if this statement were true. Or perhaps we live in such a way that makes this statement true. On Shabbat, we attune our eyes and our hearts to the deep beauty inherent in each moment. A cathedral in time, Shabbat is the weekly pinnacle of holiness in the rhythm of Jewish life. And yet, observance of Shabbat in any traditional sense almost immediately brings up a list of what we can't do. Don't drive, don't spend money, don't turn on lights. As with everything in Judaism, there must be some wisdom behind these rules. So what is it? What's the big idea? Instructively, the restrictions that the rabbis imposed on Shabbat directly correspond to the work required of our ancestors to build their wandering desert tabernacle, the Mishkan. That is, the work required of the Israelites to build their sacred space is the work we are specifically prohibited from doing on Shabbat. Why? For 6 days a week, we build the world we seek to live in. We dedicate ourselves to bettering our surroundings, our tabernacles. On the 7th day, we enjoy the beauty of it all. And what better way to honor the sacred time of Shabbat than honoring the ultimate sacred space, the planet itself? As the human impacts on the environment continue to be revealed, and as we begin to more fully understand the ecological harm that us humans cause through our daily activities of building our society, the significance of Shabbat continues to increase. The opportunity to live more deeply into a meaningful Shabbat practice that is in alignment with our sustainability values continues to become more compelling. Thankfully, Shabbat, which is a time to slow down, honor food, family, and friends, keep the lights off, keep our cars parked, our phones and computers away, and our wallets closed, intrinsically lends itself to a sacred relationship with our natural world. It is up to us to live into that invitation. On behalf of the entire team at Hazon Detroit, we want to thank you for participating in Green Shabbat. We want to commend you for taking part in a Shabbat celebration this week that honors the planet. And we want to encourage you to experiment with your own Shabbat practice to incorporate elements of sustainability into that special time. We also want to celebrate the sustainability accomplishments of the Metro Detroit Jewish community with 33 organizations that are formally working towards a healthier and more sustainable world for all through our Seal of Sustainability program, and many more who are doing that work on their own in a variety of ways. And we want to invite you, first, to sign up for the Brit Hazon, the Covenant of Hazon, an amazing program that Hazon launched earlier this year that supports you in making individual sustainable change in your own life. Visit hazon.org/Brit Hazon, hazon.org/BRIT HAZON. And second, we want to invite you to this year's Hazon Michigan Jewish Food Festival, happening this coming Sunday, August 15th from 9 to 4 at Marygrove Conservancy in Detroit. Registration is required, so sign up right now. And if you can't sign up by 8 p.m. Saturday night when the forum closes, come on down anyways and we'll squeeze you in. This year's food festival is a drive-through event where you'll get to interact with over 40 organizations doing amazing sustainability work from the comfort and safety of your own car. You'll get to learn about all sorts of awesome nature and climate-based initiatives, sample some delicious food, be entertained by music and circus performers, and be part of the largest annual Jewish gathering in Michigan. You don't want to miss it. For more information and to sign up, visit hazon.org/MJFF. Again, hazon.org/MJFF, Michigan Jewish Food Festival. Now, I want to end with this. This day that we are celebrating right now, Shabbat, is seen by our tradition as a taste of the world to come, Me'ein Olam Haba. By us engaging in sustainability practices as part of a Shabbat practice, like what we as a Metro Detroit Jewish community across a dozen organizations and hundreds, if not thousands of people are doing right now, we can help ensure that the world to come is as healthy and thriving and beautiful and sustainable and holy as possible, and that it is habitable and life-giving for our children, our grandchildren, and for many more generations to come. We are so grateful to be doing that work with you and excited to continue to go deeper together. Shabbat Shalom.
Yay! Food festival!
Shabbat Shalom!
See you Sunday!